customer visited GTOFRP with the primary purpose of assessing the company's production capabilities and technological expertise, laying the foundation for future collaboration. Mr. Zhu accompanied the customer throughout a tour of the core production areas, detailing the complete FRP production process, including key steps such as raw material pretreatment, molding, and quality inspection. He also explained the equipment's operating principles, automation levels, and production capacity, answering the customer's questions about efficiency and stability. Mr. Zhang focused on guiding the customer through the mold processing workshop, demonstrating mold design, precision machining, and maintenance processes. He also introduced the company's technological advantages in mold customization, precision control, and product adaptation, providing the customer with a direct understanding of GTOFRP's core supporting capabilities.